What up, y'all? Tory 831, eating good in the hood as usual. I'm up here in Riverdale, and I swung by Jangles. I'm trying their new Bowberry Cobbler, and I'm trying their new Bowberry Waffle chicken sandwich. Now, it's a little smaller than the picture, but you know, it never really looks like the picture. So I'm gonna try this Bowberry Cobbler first. All right. Okay, I see they just put a biscuit up in here. Like they just ripped the top off and put it like backwards and shit and then put the sauce on. All right. But this is good though. And there's a little berry sauce on here, man. Yeah, it's blueberry. This is hella good. Got some of that frosting on here too. This is a good dessert. I'll get it again on my own for sure. On a 1 to 10, I get it to 8. Let's try this chicken sandwich. All right. I'm a little skeptical because number one, this waffle kind of hard. That sauce is real sweet. So to put that on the chicken, all right, let's see what it do. This waffle hard as fuck. Right now I can't even taste the chicken. I don't know how to put it. Can't really taste the chicken because it's too much waffle. The waffle is hard. The sauce is good, but I already knew that with the cobbler. This is a miss. I wouldn't get this again. All it tastes is the sauce and the waffle. And a hint of chicken. Nah. On a 1 to 10, I'm gonna get this like a 3. It ain't worth me getting again. Y'all want this?
Yeah.
I'm eating good in the hood and the mouth.